how to split screen on YouTube TV. So I'm going to show you two different methods. Smart TVs, you can use Multiview when it is available. YouTube TV has a cool feature called Multiview, and it's perfect for sports fans. You can go to the Live tab, then look for the Multiview option, which should be during sports events. You will see 2 to 4 games on screen at once. You can't choose the channels, YouTube sets them, and it's only available on some devices like smart TVs, Google TV, Chromecast with Google TV. And if you want to do it on your mobile phone, if you want to watch TV while texting, you can open up the YouTube TV app, tap the home button, and then the video will shrink into a mini player that's on Android. On iPhone or iPad, you can start watching, swipe up or press home, and you will get a tiny screen mode. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.